Folks, so when I rented the skid steer, one of the main things I wanted to do was some clearing in the aspen grove here. As you can see, cut out a lot, pushed down and broke up a lot of the brush, opening up a lot more space. Lots of dead aspen on the ground. A lot of brush I still need to burn or turn into hugelkultur mounds, but not really good for firewood. So one of the big things that I wanted to do getting this done is gaining more access to the pond, which I've gotten a lot better access now. And also just opening up the space to be able to see and get to things around here. Eventually, I want to clear the edge around the pond a lot more so that I can get in there with a excavator and start clearing out the reeds. Had a little fire here to burn some of the brush and logs. As you can see, plenty of big logs from the aspen still down. Lots more open space and wider pathways to get around in. Got plenty of cleaning up still to do in here, but it's progress. Big piles of logs. Need to chop them up into smaller, more manageable pieces. A lot bigger access ways here. Still plenty more to clear, but a lot better at this point. Up here, cleared this quite a bit. Have a nice fire pit that I have been burning brush and logs in, but a lot more open space in this area now. Makes the aspen grove a lot friendlier and easier to hang out in. This is the first pathway that I had forged through the area and widened it out a little bit so that I could have better access and maintain it a little better. Still need to do more work on it, but it's getting a lot better. Cleared into there and have a lot better access to that big tree that I'd want to get to and built this pathway for. You can see a lot further along. Makes traveling these trails a little friendlier. Don't have as much brush trying to grab onto you, and less of a issue of the brush growing back and choking out the trail. And using the skid steer, I cut down through this pad to widen and make this more permanent of a trail. Plan to even it out when the ground's not all frozen. And you can see my trailer up here hanging out, and all the wheel ruts in the pad that got filled in with ice and snow. All right, take care, guys.